you have 2 crimps. Did it start yet?
Yeah.
Okay, you have 2 crimps. Go 1, 2. Okay. Make sure the tag end has a little bit of room. Here's your wreath. You put the wreath through, and then you go back through 1 and 2. Slide one of them down to about here. Take your crimper. We're using 2.8 sleeve, so we're going to be using this very last one that says 2.2 millimeter. Here, 2.2 millimeter. You take it, you put it in the very bottom, and then you squeeze the little tufts of peps. 1. 2.
Hi. How you doing? Good. How are you? Okay.
And
This is professional advice. Okay. I'm not really a kind of great man, but my father-in-law asked me to buy this.
so we have 3 connecting points right there, and as you can tell, it's very strong. It's not going anywhere. But just to make sure we have 2 strong connecting points, so it doesn't fall on anybody, do the same thing with that one. And pull this, make sure this is straight. And once again, 1,
Sorry, for 5, right? 5. Yeah, soft bag.
2,
And they're supposed to kind of deep dive, like kind of 30 feet.
and
Like,
3.
He's looking just for the salt,
And now, that'll hold about 600 pounds.
Some